Hello, good morning. To mga kabayan, all the people around the globe. My life, Tarzan life, as a Johnny Probadora is in the mountain, in the jungle, always in the jungle. So you can hear any kind of voice of the bird. So so that's the very uh, like the very peaceful place. I don't know how about your feelings if you are heard something like this. For me, that's very peaceful and very touch my heart to feeling to its feeling the you are heard the phrase of the morning. You can observe the morning time. There are so many birds singing any kind of music of birds singing. So that's why very very touchable of our heart to do this kind of silent. So you know where I am before going to crowded cities or the public. So very sometimes you can meet the other people is the bad attitude, but here you are the silence time. You can meet, you can join any song of bird. You know, if you are the bird, where the bird, lover, lover bird. So that you know, any kind of voice, any kinds of music, or all the bird here in the mountain. So that if you are always in the city, so you can observe what is the feelings people you are here in the mountain. You know, as a small timer of capital, we only do like this to invest a little cow, farm cow. This is our ability enough for invest like this. But of course, our peace of heart is sure. That's why I'd like to share all of you more most especially to the people in the city. So you are the I think someone is cannot That's why I will share this video to the people in the city, because in the city, of course, the other people is concentrate to the business, concentrate to the job, to the work. Our place is have a little money is not enough for our needs, but of course our we wanted to stay in the mountain because that's our choice. Because of uh, short of money, if we are uh, you know walk, that's walk. So all the people in the city and the people who is the experience of like this, and I think they are missing of this place, or this the situation like this. So you can relate this, you know there's so many kind of voice you can hear. There's so many bird can sing a song. Quack, 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 quack. Quack. So all the people is the uh, loving care of the mountain, or they are loving too much of the mountain like this, but they are never live of this place. So I would like to share all of you, this is the different style of life between the mountain and the cities. There's millions of stay in the cities, resident of the cities, but is how many people here in the mountain? How we compare about the situation? But of course, here in the mountain, uh, short of money, short of competence for uh, level up of others, because but we are our principle is to stay here, and no we are no without ability to level up the other people in the city. So we cannot afford to buy condominium, to buy more car, to buy airplane. So we are this is our life in the mountain. So I hope you love it also, touch your heart of this our place. We are born with the bird, any kind of bird. We are the born when we are a baby. The sing of bird, sing a song like that every morning of the day. So that's okay. Thank you for watching. I hope there are more people visit my page or visit my channel and YouTube. Tarzan is Junicio, Johnny Probadora. Okay, thank you, bye.